Open! Come on! Choco Bear! Awesome sauce! Mmm! For Kate! Bunch of tinies! Oh well, still yummy! But it won't compare to Val's giant teddy! Enjoy this! Crunchy! No worries, Katie has a plan! Heat up those gummies! You got it! Perfect! Crank up the heat! Don't worry, we want them to melt! Almost there! Ready for the final step? Pour in the goo! Just like that! A honey bottle works perfectly! Ever so carefully! You don't want to spill! Too much! Now, shake! What in the… Behold! Honey jelly teddy goodness! Kate, you genius! Val is ready to take apart Teddy and do the same. Melt that baby up. We're making our own Choco Honey Jelly. Okay. Pour it in. Shake, and let's see how it turned out. Now taste. Ugh! Too much of a squeeze. Nice going, Val Pal. Open up. Oh, Spidey! Phew! False alarm. This baby's made of chocolate. Crunch. Ah! Oh no! Nope! A challenge is a challenge! Val? Val! Who's a cutie patootie? Learned something new about Val today. She's fearless. Ladies, look at this! Ah! And that's that! Steal any treat you wish for with this one simple trick. Spidey boy! Awesomeness! Teamwork makes the dream work. Nicely done, ladies. Thank you, Mr. Arachnid. Enjoy! Chocolate fountain? Yes! Val is dipping a big ol' melon. Kate! Double mel! Okay. Slice it open and let's do this. Here we go! One more thing. Melon popsicle! Summer fun! Nice thinking, Val. Oh, baby! Take a bite! We're waiting! We're freezing first. Nice thinking! Just about done. Yes? A slice of chocolatey frozen perfection. So chilly. So tasty. Let's see here. Slice and dice. The top is off. Now let's blend. This should be sweet. Ooh, spooky! Scoop out those insides. In it goes. That should be all of it. Now to blend it up. Cover your ears. Back into the melon it goes. Fresh squeezed juice. But now we need to add some chalk, right? It is a Choco challenge after all. We'll get there, just gotta be patient. 1 pitcher full of melon. Perfect. And 1 full of chalk. Oh boy, oh boy. Now, let's make a cocktail. 1/2 melon. 1/2 chocolate. And the crowd goes wild! What a great idea, Kate. I can't wait to try this Choco creation. Eat up. So wonderful. You're the best. Choco stack. Well, for Val. Sorry, Julie. You are not our lucky ducky today. All right, Val. Time to get to business. Just don't look, Jules. Val starts chowing down. Ommy nom nom! Huh? Take a gander. Val, you have something on your… The girl doesn't care. She's too busy with her tasty treats. No way! Amazing! Now, is this place ready for moving? Cause I'm packing my bags. Not anymore, I guess. Nom! What a day. Ooh. Ah! Huh? Looks like, this place already has a resident. Ladies, how rude! Sorry. Carry on, Buster. Sorry we ate your house again. Oh, man. This is something else. Hey, Pipsqueak has a few kind words for you. Look! Chocolate! Watch out! Lesson learned, huh, ladies? Denny, I'm right there with you. Phew! Shall we go get cleaned up? I'm thinking yes. Oh, man. Ooh la la. It's dipping time. Wow, looks incredible! Fantabulous! Kelly, you go! Chicken! Cool at first, until you realize you have to dip it in chocolate. Ew! Good luck, gal! Hand to your taste buds, too! Ah! That is not pleasant. You know what? Cheese sauce to the rescue! Pour it up! Oh yeah! Turn that chocolate sauce savory. Just what we need for that chicken. Not so much the donuts, though. You had your turn. OMG! Pink soft-served ice creams. And look at Kelly's rainbow cake. Both treats are just begging for a chocolate topping. Oh my! Deliciously good! Tracy approves. This thing rocks! Kelly, you go! Slice! Just like that. Perfect! Now we're ready to dip. Amazing! Try it! Amazeballs! You know what's better than ice cream and cake? Ice cream cake! Tracy, you amaze me! What a wonderful idea! Let's decorate the sides too. Slice! Just like that. 2 halves. Onto the cake they go. Oh, wow! Keep them coming! Almost done. Now you're thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, baby! It's time for the chocolate shower! Girls, this is awesome! I can hardly wait. Wow! Pour it! Ah, beautiful work, ladies. This is a total masterpiece. Can we finally eat? I'd say so. Enjoy! You deserve it. Open up! Lollipops! Wow. All sorts of different flavors, too. How sweet! Dip 'em, girl! Fantastically chocolatey. A perfect combo. Candies for Kelly, too. Rainbowlicious! So cool! Open up! Oh, sure are tiny. They'll go perfect with chocolate. Tracy dips her lolly with no problem. Easy peasy. Kelly, on the other hand, well, see for yourself. Those tiny things are hard to work with, especially with those crazy nails, huh? We've got to figure out another way, Kelly Cat. Tracy laughs at the sight. Got it! Kelly pours the candy into a bowl. And now what? With the help of these super-duper nails, Kelly attached her Skittles. Just like that. Almost. Candy nails? Fantabulous! Want to know the best part? They're easy dippers, too. Kelly, you genius, you! Enjoy! You earned every last bite here. Tracy is jelly. She takes a tiny lolly. Kelly, look! So what? Is that stick attached to the pop-for-nothing tea? And Kelly scores! Come here, you! Hilarious! Yeah, that was bound to happen. Sorry, Trace. What a mess! What the? Gold-plated tea set? Do not tell me the price tag. I might faint! Nothing special from here, as always. But hey, it holds chocolate, and that is all we need. Add a shmallow. Layla likes the sound of that. Let's… Huh? Genie? Here to grant your every wish. Now I really do not want to know the price. Layla orders sweet, sweet treats. Okay. Wow! Amazingness! Thank you, Genie. Oh boy, oh boy! Let's dig in. Where's Mary's Genie? He's here! But not too happy Mary covered him in chalk. Girl! She starts to list her wildest dreams. Yeah, right. Keep dreaming. But here, I can do one thing. Candy wrappers? Thanks a lot, Mr. Magic. Huh? A beautiful cake made of gold versus this abomination. Oh, that is so uncool. One slice of Layla's cake will run you into debt. Seriously! And it's rainbow on the inside? Covered in chalk? I'm melting. Now back to Mare and her veggie cake. Ew, to the gross. Ugh. Maybe the chocolate would help? Okay, let's chase down this horrific taste with yummy chalk. Nicely done. The Mare and the Instacoder cake. Keep it coming. I don't want to see any veggies here, girl. It looks good. Like, amazingly good. Layla thinks so too. She makes the trade, not knowing what Mary's cake is really about. At least someone's happy. Oh boy, Layla's in for it. One big chomp of brock is all it takes. Oh no, no! You got played, homegirl. Mary! Nicely done. Oh yes! Honey jelly goodness. Made with real gold. Ka-chow! It's mighty delicious. Okay, Miss Layla. Dipperoo! Go girl! Go girl! Looks incredible. And tastes even better. All our poor girl's got is a packet of M&Ms. From last year's Halloween. It's just not fair. Totally wish we were in Layla's spot right about now. Worry not. Mary's a girl with a plan. Fill up the bottle with candy. Yep. Step 2. Add chocolate. Doesn't cost a penny extra. You are not ready for this. Is it time to try it? Not until these Mentos are added. Mentos? Oh man, Mary. You're playing with ice here. The whole pack? Can you handle that freeze? Ready? She instantly cools the chalk with her minty breath. Now check it. It's jelly! Double chocolate candy jelly, might I add. Take that, Layla. When you unfreeze. Sorry. Someone get this girl a coat! And a hot, hot tea. Open those trays. Booyah! That's what I like to see. The most delicious cake ever. Enjoy your treat, Miss Mina. So fluffy. Rena! Whoa! What a beauty! Yeah, I guess I'd be pretty happy with that. Enjoy, Blondie. Rainbow. You seeing those loons? Yeah! Huh? Amina's taking you to Tickle Central. Wah! Oh, brother, whoever's distracted gets a balloon. You are so not getting away with this. We need to kick it up a notch. Now that's more like it. Still nothing? Okay. Rena's secret weapon. Rena's secret weapon. Pepper! Ha! Send it over. Nope. Nope! And here's the real crazy part. Danny? No wonder we couldn't get ya. I am so confused right now. Rena, I feel ya. Why? What's in those trays? Oh man, mega cookie, mega burger, and 2 perfectly fitting drinks. Sounds good to me. Enjoy! So yummy! Wash it all down with cola. Hits the spot. Amina, what you thinking? Split the cookie. Icing. Watch this, guys. It's not a cookie party without a good dip. You're right about that. Rena, it's your turn. Okay then. Yeah, it doesn't exactly work like that. Oh, bummer. Almost got it now. That thing is a mess. Now, you're not thinking of dipping, are ya? Oh, Amina, what have you done? I can hardly watch this. Rena, I would really assume you knew better. Ha! Gross! What? A key? A cup? What is going on here? Yes, it's magic! We've got Amina fooled. Here, why don't you try? Go on! Trust me! Okay. Womp, 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 womp. Right back at ya. Nicely done, Rena. Choco fountain! Amazing! What? Amina, those cakes look perfectly yummy. Take a dip. And now, a chomp! Oh, yeah! Kate has a mere gummy. It's barely anything, but still, candy's candy. Now, blow! Whoa! So cool! Want a candy outfit, Mina? Oh, you know it! Ha! Check this out, y'all. My goodness! You look like a poppin' princess! Now, about these cakes. Kate, you did good, girl. Now enjoy the treat! Amina, look! Oh, no, she didn't. Balloon Princess is coming! Do something! This is not gonna end well. Oops! The pin's popping Mina's gorgeous dress! And all that's left is the stickiest mess ever! Heyo! Are those candy Sammies? All right! And they're amazing! I've never seen anything like that before! Amina, you're done already? Kate says you can have one. Sweet! Idea? Huh? Crazy clown! Princess! Crazy clown here, asking for a burgie. I think it's in Kate's best interest to just say yes. And now, name's Blondie. Thanks! Another one? Oh, brother. Fine. I don't think Kate will get a single bite at this rate. You chose some weird alter egos, girl, but dang! You took all of Kate's goodies! Can she have at least one back? Hey! Ah! Huh? What's her deal? Teleparty! Yummy chocolate spread. All the girls have the same size. Tracy, a beautiful waffle tower. Those rainbow colors are a blast. Choco bars for Princess Kate. Yum! Your turn, Care. Let's see. Ew! I think it'd be useful to hit those spell books again, eh? No one can dip in that chalk. Okay, Tracy, get to work. We have a waffle tower to decorate. Oh my! Wonderfully good. Pile it on now. Build up that tower. Just a few more will do. Amazingly good. And done. Kate approves. It's time to work on this chalk. Ah, yes. A perfect combo of light and dark cocoa. Mouth-wateringly delicious. She begins to build layers of her own. Perfection. So much sugar. I think Tracy hates it. Now, Carrie, what will we do with you? Bingo, bango, bongo. Carrie dips her greens into the spread. Looks just like candy. That's exactly the point. We're pranking, baby. Hey! Care to try my chocolate treats? Only for a trade, though. It worked! Carrie got both treats in exchange for… Rocco Chocks. Nicely done. So good. Wow! Try the candy. I can't wait to see the look on these guys' faces. Ewy! That is less than unpleasant. Absolutely repulsive. Oh, Care Bear, this is too much. Let's get out of here. Hey, girl! Now, what's this? Yummy, yummy treats. A giant bag for Miss Trace. Awesomeness! It'll last forever and ever. Katie is not so lucky. And Carrie, well, it could be worse. Shall we dig in? I think we shall. Go for it. Giant gummy! That is really something special, girl. Cherry flavor. Kate, don't be sad. They sure are mini. But man, are they tasty. Oh, you know what? Nom! Tracy has two, not one, two giant bears. That's it! Mr. Bear? He's here to retrieve his gummy cousins. Run! Well, that was easy. Now to get to work on said cousins. Cookies! Holy smokes, Kate. I barely saw you behind there. Let's dig into this beautiful work of art. Carrie stacks these babies up, but lo and behold, they take a tumble. Gosh darn. Will Tracy have better luck? Let's see. Take it easy now. And just one more to complete the stack. Done. Not. Oh man. You try, Kate. Stack, stack, stack them up. Up to the sky. Whoa! She did it! You amaze me! I mean, that is some serious balance. You're gonna try to put on another? You'll need a chair! She does it! Amazing! Up at the sky. Ah! Ah! Katie! Nice knowing ya! Oh, there you are! How was, your flight? Are you okay? Oh, thank gosh. Stacy's platter. It's a perfect kit for burger assembling. Lettuce. And tomato. That's a start. Stacy, girl, come on. It's all in front of you. Bun. Yes, yes. Cheese and the burger patty for a burger. Val is having the time of her life. Great job, genius. Yep, that's exactly how you do it. I feel like I'm explaining this to an alien. A brain? I know someone who could use one of those bad boys. Here. Thank you, Valerie. Thank you. Let's do this. Ooey gooey. It's all yours, Stace. Use it wisely. Any second now. Rational thoughts in 3, 2… What is it? Okay. This looks promising. Oh, yes! And done! Like that was hard? She did it! And from only one brain bite. Will she get superpowers if she eats this whole thing? I don't think I want to meet super speed X-ray vision Stacy. Let's just stick to making lunch for now. Yeah, that rocks! So delish! Job well done, Valerie. And you too, Stace. Glad the girls figured it out. Well, I will leave you two to it. Enjoy! What's inside, girls? Yeah, baby! Nutella goodness! Look at the creamy consistency! Just simply delish! Val is going in! Oh, no words! Stace, what are you thinking? Out of nowhere, she pops out a mini fridge. In you go, you delicious thing, you! Nice! Now we wait. It'll be worth it! Almost done? How about now? That's right! Hazelnut chocolate ice cream! Anyone's dream come true! Val agrees with that! In a cake cone? Ooh, can you make me one of those? That looks wondrous! Ooh, taste it! It needs a little something extra. Like a little extra spread. Thanks, Val! Double chocolatey hazelnut! Yes! That's more my speed. So good! Uh-oh. Val is ready to join the party. Give me that! We won't be needing that tiny scooper. Oh yeah, baby! Super size for a super tasty treat. Oh boy. That blows Stacy's yummy out of the water. Oh well. Thank you for the idea, homegirl. You better enjoy your tiny treat. Check this here chocolate fountain out. A waterfall of sweetness. Oh yes! But what to dip in this thing? Surely some strawberries. Maybe candy? Ooh, I get it now. And submit. Donuts! Now we're rockin'. Melon lollies. Oh, brother. Anything else? A shoe? Alrighty then. We've got quite the lineup here. Don't be shy. Dip that melon. She's going for it. Oh, yes. Amazingly good. All done. Delectable. Well, have a bite. So fresh. Val, no! You can't have any of Stacy's treats. Sorry, miss. Holy yum! That looks amazing! And boy, do I feel bad for Valerie for having to watch. Val is losing her mind over here. Aha! Don't be so cocky, Stace. Val's got an idea. A chocolate shoe sure sounds good, though. Oh, yes! So delish! And just as she's about to bite, ready, steady, fishy! That's right! Val downloaded the app. Raw chocolate fish? No, no, no! Oh, Stace! Oh, Val! Whoa! We're decorating cakes? Yes, ma'am! I wonder what rich girl tea will get. Okay. Pop tubes? And look! Tracy's got a fancy schmancy fruit platter. It's just not fair. Anyway, check out these toppings. First order of business, chocolate! Oh, brother, what a treat! I'll say. Elsa, you have to see this! Amazing, right? And Tracy doesn't stop there. So much yum! Maybe all that money needs to pay for some cake decorating lessons? That's not looking too hot, T. Not like you can do better, Elsa. What is this girl gonna do with a load of plastic? Huh? What? No way! Sweet, sweet honey. That looks incredible! Honey jelly coated fruitcake. Wow! Tube me! Be careful what you wish for, Trace. Lesson learned. Oh, baby, what is this? Bears! So scrumptious! Look at Elsa's little cuties. And Trace's giant jelly. Come on, pile on the goods. Elsa has no problem. Teddy Army! Tracy! Big Teddy is on. And he's putting on a show? Ha! Tracy, you are hilarious! Oh yeah, time to meet your maker, Ted.
Mwahaha!
He's melting! Oh dear, almost there! Just a few more jellies left. Whew, it's getting hot in here. Look! The gel is all over the chocolate, and it's going to be delicious to chow down on. Ooh, baby! Dip it in the gumminess! Ooh! Enjoy, you two! See what can happen when you get along? Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to sub and hit that bell. We've got new videos all the time, and you don't want to miss them. Alright, until next time, bye!